Hello, welcome to this tutorial. My name is Robert and I'm going to show you the main features of our website and where to find them. Now, if you need to start a transaction, just click Start a Transaction and then it shows you this. Next step would be to log in or register. This is going to be covered in another video. So if you need to register, just click Register and provide your first name, last name, email address and phone number, then click Register. Next step, you'll be asked to provide a password and that's it, you're done. If you need to log into your account, just click Login. You can log in using your email address or phone number. So once you're logged in, this is what you see. This is my dashboard. The dashboard shows you a summary of everything and a shortcut to starting a transaction. So you can always start a transaction by clicking this button. If you have some money in your account balance, whether it's escrowed or it's available for withdrawal, it will appear here. If you have transactions in more than one currency, then the various currencies are going to reflect here. This shows you the statistics of your transaction history with us, the number of orders under each transaction status. The My Withdraw button shows you a record of all withdrawals that you've ever done. If you have money in your balance that is available for withdrawal, then you're going to see a withdraw button here. Then if I scroll down this page, it shows me a history of all orders that have ever been created or completed on using my account. So if I click on orders, it's still going to show me the same information. If you have a dispute that needs your attention, just click disputes and it's going to show you all the disputes that you have and their statuses. If you have ever had disputes in the past, you can revisit them by clicking here. Now we have a referral program through which you earn some money by referring other people to join our service. When the person signs up and completes their first order, you earn 100 shillings and the other person also earns 100 shillings. So a record of all people you've ever referred and any rewards that you've earned will appear here. If you'd like to share your link, just copy the link, you'll find it here, copy the link and share it with your friends and anyone else you might want to share it with. To edit your profile, just click on your profile and then click Profile and Settings. There you can change details about your profile and you can also update your password from there. And of course, I forgot to mention that if you ever get stuck or you need any assistance, just click on this button, the chat icon, start a new chat. Let us know how we can help you. Customer support is usually online 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. East Africa time, and the average waiting time is usually 1 minute. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Browse through this channel for more tutorials, for example, to know how to start a transaction and other videos. Bye bye.